Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Ruckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Tuesday, December the 13th. Another day, same result. New all-time forever highs in the Dow and the S&P, and we had tech lagging behind once again. So when it was all said and done, we had the S&P down 4 points, Dow futures up 25, and the NASDAQ off 0.5%, just when it looked like it was closing in on those October 25th records. Other markets on the move, crude oil, new relative highs yesterday, got as high as 54.50 in the early morning, never achieved that during the course of the session, ended up closed around the 53 level. And bonds were the big mover as well. They made new relative lows and a higher close. So start looking for a possible bottom in the bond market finally. Other markets we talked about, we had gold sell off, got as low as 11.52. Closed at 11.64, so that was up $2 on the session as well. So a bit of a reversal to keep an eye on there. And the euro currency was up 80 at 106.80. We're trading March in all the futures contracts and financial futures right now. So after the new highs yesterday in stocks, where do things stand here on this Tuesday morning? Well, we're pushing the upside once again, pushing those records right now up 8 points in the E-mini S&P, up 80 points in the Dow futures, and right now up 21 in the NASDAQ, closing in that 4,900. Looking at the other markets right now, crude oil is up 50 cents at $53 and change, and gold is down $1 after that reversal that we saw yesterday. Right now we're about the 11.65 level. The dollar is stuck at 101 with the euro currency at 106 as we have day one of the Fed meeting today. The announcement comes tomorrow. There's a 93% chance of a rate hike, and probably greater than that in reality, which will be announced tomorrow. Also in the news today, former Exxon, now he's good, former Exxon CEO, was named Secretary of State. Interesting that Exxon is up 20% over the last year and up 12%, only 12% over the last 5 years. So I found that to be an interesting stat. To summarize where we stand here this morning with half an hour to go before the cash stock market open, right now we've got the Dow futures up 8, pressing on the high, the S&P futures up 8, pressing on the highs, and the Dow futures up 80, with the NASDAQ up 20 as well. Alan Ruckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.